in previous 4-5 questions like 25, 26 or 29 whatever, in those questions we discussed about differentiation. Same motion in one dimension, all the question, and the concept is non-uniform accelerated motion where acceleration depends on time or displacement or velocity. Then we use differentiation where v equal to dx by dt, a equal to dv by dt. Now if you thought of reverse, finding displacement from velocity, integration v dt, finding velocity from acceleration a dt, then you will go for what phenomena? Integration. Let us understand that type of question also. So there they will give you acceleration as a function of time or displacement. Let us take the first example as a equal to 2t minus 1. Now the acceleration is a function of time. Now you have to find the velocity. So here they did not mention the initial velocity. Yes sir. So that you take the initial velocity 0 starting from rest. If they mention, consider it like now integration dv equal to integration a dt from u to v from 0 to t. Now this will become v minus u equal to, here integration a is 2t minus 1 dt 0 to t. So here if you know the integration then it is easy, otherwise it will be tough. So the main thing is what you should know is the integration, mathematical phenomena called integration equal to integration 2t dt minus integration dt 0 to t 0 to t. So 2 is a constant. What is the integration simple formula? T power n dt, t power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it will become 2 into integration t dt means t square by 2 minus integration dt is t 0 to t 0 to t. So if you substitute the limits, how do you substitute the limits? Upper limit minus lower limit. So that 2 into t square by 2 minus 0 minus t minus 0. So 2 get cancelled, t square minus t. So here I am taking initial velocity 0. Otherwise if they give 2 meter per second or 3 meter per second, you take this u value also. But here u I am taking as 0. Now this is the velocity at any instant. I got velocity from acceleration. Similar way, now you get the displacement, integration ds equal to integration v dt, same 0 to t, 0 to s. So s equal to, now integration v dt means again two terms are there. So integration t square dt, integration t dt 0 to t 0 to t. So it will become t cube by 3, it will become t square by 2. So what is the displacement of the particle now? T cube by 3 minus t square by 2. So here the concept of integration is utilized in finding velocity or displacement from acceleration. You can understand here one thing, that integration and differentiation both are inverse process of each other. That's why to find from displacement to velocity, from velocity to acceleration, you will go for differentiation. If you want to go in reverse, acceleration to velocity, velocity to displacement, then you will go for integration. So this is the way the integration and differentiation plays key role in solving numericals in kinematics. Not only in kinematics, in many other questions also. So please understand that importance. Thank you.